What's up, everybody? I'm not sure what this video is really going to be about. Maybe do a little shout out or something, I don't know. But I do have one thing I want to say. So yes, I finally hit that 300. Ding ding, yay, 300 subs. Actually, I had gotten up to 309, and then I released my last video. And man, I must have butthurt some motherfuckers or some pussy bitches or something, dude, because man, I lost 10 subs like within minutes after I released that video.
Your heart, my little voice! Stop it!
Some people weren't very happy with it, but it happens, whatever. Because I'm back to 300 again. I was at 309, I went back down to 299, and I'm back up to, like, I think last time I looked I was at 302. So that's cool. But I don't know. Butt hurt some people. It happens, whatever. I'm okay with it. So anyways, I don't know, maybe do some shout outs. See how many people I can name off the top of my head. Let's start with Mr. Captain Granite. He's a good friend of mine. Play on the Xbox together. He's a good all-around dude. Makes some pretty good content. So if you're not already subbed to him or don't know who he is, go over and check him out. And I'll try to put everybody's links in the description below, down there. Big Bad Wolf Moto. I know a lot of people already know him. He just hit his 1,000 subs. But if you don't know him, go over and check him out. He's a real good dude. There's a big one, Tim Kreitz Adventures. Tim's a really awesome dude. Always have a comment in video conversations back and forth with him. He's a good dude. Really great content. I really enjoy watching his stuff. Some people don't. I do. There's Knuckles TV from down Texas way. That's right, I said that. Really good dude. You got Deep South Moto from down in Texas. Another one of my really good friends. He likes to call me at 3 o'clock in the morning just to bullshit. Because he knows I'm awake. You got a Fat Boy R6. Another good dude, don't live too far from me. 6-pin. And you got Road King Josie. He actually gave me a shout out the other day. He's a good dude. You got another guy that's local here, not too far from me. That's SL636. I've had a couple conversations with him. Seems like a really good guy too. Been trying to get him to ride a half hour so he can go ride with me, but kid is always busy. I told him quit being fucking busy and live life. Oh man, everybody wants to go that way. I don't want to go that way. I don't want to go that way. Well, who else? Who else could I shout out in this video? Y'all can always swing over and check out Jester on 2. Another one of my good friends. I'm good friends with fucking everybody. Either you love me or you fucking hate me. I had a whole list in my head before I left the house. I was like thinking about all the fucking motovloggers and shit. Another one y'all go check out if y'all don't know him already. Go check out Sab Crazy. And his out there in LA on his fucking LA adventures on the highway. Trying to get runned over all the time. tag action. I think that's probably going to be about it for this one. So thanks for the 300 subs. Thanks for everybody that has given me a shout out lately. If you guys go over and check all these guys out, you know, I'm not saying you have to sub to them, but at least go give them a shot, go check them out. If you do sub to them, you know, tell them I sent you over there. I want my recognition, bitch.
You're bitches. Better recognize.
Bitch ass motherfucker. But anyways, I got about do it for this one. So I will catch you on the flip side. Later.